As an Amazon seller, do you often encounter these headaches in logistics? Don't worry, Gordo team will teach you how to deal with and avoid these problems. Problem 1. High shipping costs. 1 Carrier selection. A professional freight forwarder can help determine the most efficient shipping routes and select the most cost-effective shipping method for sellers. 2 Volume discounts. Freight forwarders often offer volume-based discounts. Sellers can negotiate lower freight rates by shipping large quantities of goods on a consistent basis. 3 Warehousing solutions. Shipping costs and delivery times can be reduced by storing inventory closer to customers or Amazon distribution centers. 4 DDP services. Give your shipments to a familiar freight forwarder. They can provide one-stop service from pickup to delivery, maximizing your time and cost savings. Problem 2. Damaged or lost products. 1 Choose strong and suitable packaging materials, which can be customized according to the size and fragility of your products. 2. Labeling and fragile marking. This can remind cargo handlers to exercise caution during transportation. 3. Insuring the cargo. You can have your freight forwarder purchase insurance and can protect you in time if your product is broken and lost. Problem 3. Delayed shipments. 1 Build a strong relationship with your suppliers and contact them regularly. Make sure they can meet your expectations for production schedules. 2. Make sure all necessary documentation, including invoices and packing list, are complete and accurate. 3. Select reliable carriers with a track record of on-time delivery. Make sure they can meet your specific needs and provide consistent service. 4. Choose a transportation method such as air or express to urgently replenish your inventory if the shipment has already been delayed. If you have any other logistics headaches, please leave a message, and we will discuss how to solve it.